In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change seats on a Ryanair flight. Whether you've decided you'd like that extra legroom or perhaps you just want to sit closer to a friend or family member, it's a simple process. Follow along, and I'll guide you through it all. Firstly, you'll need to visit the Ryanair website. This is your starting point. Open your preferred web browser, and type in www.ryanair.com. Once there, you'll notice Ryanair's distinctive branding and options at the top of the home page. Look for the My Bookings section. It's typically easy to find along the top navigation bar. Click on it to proceed. Now, you're going to log into your account. If you have an account, enter your email and password in the given fields. If you used a guest account when booking your flight, don't worry. Instead, you have the option to retrieve your booking using the confirmation number that was emailed to you when you first booked your flight, along with the email you used. After successfully logging in or retrieving your booking, you'll be presented with a list of your upcoming flights. Select the flight for which you'd like to change your seat. Once you've selected your flight, look for an option that says something like Manage My Booking or Change Seats. Clicking this will take you to the seat map. Here comes the exciting part. You'll now see the seating layout of the aircraft. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You can identify available seats easily, often indicated in green or another distinctive color. Bear in mind, each seat may come with different fees depending on its location. Front, middle, or extra legroom seats could cost more. Choose the seat you desire by clicking on it directly on the seat map. Your selection will typically show up in a different color to confirm your choice. Make sure it's the one you want, otherwise, simply click another to change your selection before proceeding. Once you're satisfied with your choice, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the seat change. This usually involves reviewing any additional costs, agreeing to terms, and then proceeding to payment, if applicable. Have your payment information ready just in case. After completing the payment, you should receive a confirmation of your seat change. Keep an eye on your email for this confirmation and ensure everything appears as you've selected. With that, you've successfully changed your seat on a Ryanair flight. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. Hopefully, this guide has made it clear and easy for you to follow. Remember, adjustments are often dependent on availability, so if you're planning on changing seats, it might be best to do so sooner rather than later. Safe travels.